Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel again. And today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of these Samsung Galaxy Buds Core earpods from Samsung. And here at the back you can see the price listed is 9,999, but I got them at price of 4,999. And here you can see that it shows that this box contains one unit earbuds and extra two number of buds, one charging case which is the outer box, one pair of wingtips, and the manufacturing date is July 2025. Here at the back you can see that these buds are compatible with smartphones or tablets running Android 11 or higher with more than 1.5 gigabytes of memory. You can connect it to any smartphone, but some of the features are only limited to Samsung smartphones. And you can see that this product is made in China. And when we open the box we get this charging case of the Samsung Buds Core, and it has shiny piano black finish, and in black color it looks quite good. And you get this small warranty information and user manual type of thing, which shows you the common instructions and how to use and other settings like resetting, etc. And like the box said, in this small case you get an extra pair of wing tips. These wing tips can be put it into the earpod, and these wing tips helps in securing the earbuds into your ears, so you can change the wing tips and fit it according to your ears. And in this small case you get extra two pairs of rubber buds, silicon buds, so you can use them if the default one is not fitting properly into your ears, so you can adjust it according to your needs. And you get two extra pairs, and this is the outer case, the charging box of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Core. It has a nice glossy piano black finish, and the build quality is good. And these are the premium quality earphones from Samsung. And when you open the box you get the charging indicator and little bit LED light at the front. And here you can see that these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Core earpods. So this is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Core earpod. This is the left one, and these earpods comes with the active noise cancellation, which is a good feature for blocking unwanted noises when you are listening to music or listening to some podcast or casually talking with someone on the phone. And these earpods have 35 hours of playback time, which is good. And you can connect them with smartphones, tablets, or Galaxy watches, etc. And you don't get the USB charging cable with the box, so you have to purchase it aftermarket. And most of the features are available only in the Samsung smartphones, but you can connect it with any another smartphone. They come in two color options, white and black, and you can purchase the aftermarket cover for it. Like with Samsung smartphone, you can change the settings and change the sound quality, etc., and use the features like find my earphones, etc. And if we talk about the sound quality of these earbuds, I connected it with my Samsung Galaxy M34 smartphone, and I found out that the sound quality is good. The sound quality is very much balanced. Actually it's good. When we compare it with other earphones, you when you listen for longer duration, you feel like you are having some kind of pain in your ears at high volume. But with these earphones I found out that you can listen with them for hours and you won't be getting any discomfort. So the sound quality is balanced with not much bass and treble. It's balanced under 5,000. This is a good option. Some other options are also available in the market, so it's according to your needs. And if you are looking for a good product from Samsung, you can go for it. And that's all in this video. See you in another video. Bye for now.